Let's see if we can find some snakes by the waterside. You just never know. You'll never know your luck or unluck, depending on how you look at it. So if you haven't been to Australia, this is a little taste of it. Little taste of Australia, what it's like. Forest wise, what are we, an hour from the city. Listen to that sound of that bird through this forest, just echoing through. Wind through the trees as well. The nature walk through this beautiful location. Do I want to go that way or do I want to go that way? And a beautiful South Australian day. Adelaide, our main city. Gawler, the city, and also Mount Gambier, the next two biggest cities in the state. And then it all shrinks down in population from there. But a very popular place, post-COVID, increased in interest, and a lot of people moving here that would normally stay in Melbourne and Sydney have moved to this region because it has more serenity. That's right.
How's the serenity?
I think he also just loved the word.
So much serenity.
The Australian word, very famous locally. There we go. It's a great spot. You really don't notice the kangaroos. At first, you really got to look for them. They really hide in the foliage and you just can't even spot them. Half the time you've got to stand still and just look and stay quiet and scan across and see if you can actually find one. And then all of a sudden their head will bob up from behind a bush. What happened to our tree here? Look at this. What happened? It sort of woke up and it bit of a bender. Pine potential. There we go. Little pine. One day, Daddy Warbucks. For sure, watch the sharp ones. Look at that. Look at that sharp piece. Here we go.